How to log out Instagram from other devices without changing passcode. Hi guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's open our Instagram application. So once we are here, you have to go for your profile on the bottom right and click on the three bars on the top right and simply go for its settings. So once you are in settings, so here you have to go for security. So if you can't see security, you have to go for this meta account center, which is saying see more in account centers. So simply click on that and scroll down to this passcode and security. Once you are here, you have to click on where you are logged in. Once you have clicked on this, click on your profile again, and here you can select any of device and simply click on the log out, and it will automatically log out from other devices. So simply click on this logout, or you can also secure account by changing your password, and it will automatically log out when you change the password. So that's how basically you can log out Instagram from other devices without changing password.